Hello everyone, my name is Yang. Let me now briefly introduce our recent work. It's about direct manipulation of wave amplitude and phase through inverse design of isotropic media. The background is transformation optics. In 2006, people invented a method to control wave flow arbitrarily. It gives anisotropic materials. It makes use of the mapping relation between virtual space and the physical space. The bottom figures shows a nice example of such a tool. This designs a cloak. In principle, we use the graded index material, which is isotropic. There are three reasons to consider this. 1. Transformation optics requires mass design to start with. Sometimes this mass design is not available. 2. Anisotropic material could be difficult to manufacture. 3. We want to remove the unwanted reflection for certain incidents. So we start from the 2D equations written in the middle. We write out the complex wave amplitude as the combination of amplitude and phase. We note that for TE and TM case, the material profile epsilon and mu are swappable. Then we are given the bottom two equations. They are relations between amplitude, phase, and the material profiles. So we are able to design for profiles of material if we predefine the amplitude or phase first. The first example is amplitude control. We can control the amplitude as the Gaussian profile, but the wave phase is still kept as the planar wave. The bottom figure shows one of such an example. The second example is for the same material profile as in the first example, but we choose to put a point source in the air region, and the bottom simulation confirm our prediction. The third example is about controlling phase. In figure A, we design such a profile. If we put a point source in the black circle, the cylindrical wave will convert to planar wave as shown in figure B. The fourth example is still about controlling phase, but here it's a non-magnetic point shifting media. In figure A, we design such a permittivity. If we put a point source at the black circle, the media will deceive the observer at the far end to believe that it is the virtual space which is at the purple circle that is emitting, although it's not true. Lastly, the conclusion. We invented an inverse design method to design for planar wave or point source, which is actually cylindrical wave. We can control the amplitude or phase. We believe it could be extended into a 3D case. That is all. Thank you for your time.